Recuerdo a mi pueblo, or In Memories of My Town, a poem by Dr. Jose Rizal. When I recall the days that saw my childhood of yore, beside the verdant shore of a murmuring lagoon, when I remember the sigh of the breeze that on my brow, sweet and caressing did blow, with coolness full of delight, I sadly recall your face of precious infancy that a mother lovingly did succeed to embellish. I remember a simple town, my cradle, joy and boon, beside the cool lagoon, the seat of all my wish. Nagugunit ako ang nagdaang araw ng kamusmusang kong kay sayang pumanaw sa gilid ng isang baybaying luntian na rumaragas ang agos ng dagatan. Kung aalalahanin ng damping marahan, halik sa noo ko ng hangin magaslaw. Ito'y naglalagos sa aking katauhan, lalong sumisiglat, nagbabagong buhay. Naalaala kong may kasamang lumbay, ang kamusmusan ko ng nagdaang araw. Kasama-sama ko'y inang mapagmahal, siyang nagpapaganda sa aba kong buhay. Naalaala kong lubhang mapanglaw, bayan kong kalambang, aking sinilangan, sa dalampasigan ng dagat-dagatan, sadla ka ng aking sayat kaaliwan. My reflection on Jose Rizal's poem, On Recuerdo a mi Pueblo, or In Memory of My Town. It is about a poet longing for his town. Jose Rizal remembers his happy and sad memories when he was young in his beloved town of Calamba. And he also mentioned how loving his mother was to him that shaped and made his life even better.